Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect a Bluetooth device to your Onn Google TV streaming box. So for this video, I'll be using the Redmi Buds 6 Active. However, this should apply to any other Bluetooth device that you currently have. So the first step is to navigate to your Bluetooth settings. And to do that, simply scroll through the different options on your home screen until you get to the settings icon and select it. And then from here, you want to select the option Bluetooth. Once you've selected Bluetooth, you then want to now put your Bluetooth device in pairing mode. So let me put my Redmi Buds 6 in pairing mode. And then once it's in pairing mode, you then want to select pair accessory and wait for it to search for any devices that it finds. So as you can see, it's already detected my Redmi Buds 6. So then I just want to select it to start the pairing process. And then you want to confirm that you wish to pair with that specific device. So just pair. And now they've been connected successfully. So from here, you can even see in your list of accessories, the Redmi Buds 6 have already been connected. And now I can choose to rename, forget, or even disconnect if I don't want to use them with my TV anymore. So now, depending on the Bluetooth device that you've connected to your TV, you can choose to listen to audio or do whatever it is that you want. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.